Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a refrigerator organizing. It has been requested for a number of times, and here it is.
This is how my refrigerator looks like. It's not the best look. It has drink stains, very disorganized, but I'm going to organize it. Whether you're new here or a returning subscriber, I'm just so glad that you're here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified on future videos. I do lots of cleaning and organizing motivation. I'm taking everything out to do a surface cleaning before I can organize. These are the containers I'm going to use to organize. I got them from Capital Shoppers, plus the plastic food wrap. I'm now arranging things back, starting with the upper part, which is the freezer. And as I was organizing, I wished I got more containers. This is how I organized. I love how it turned out. I will definitely buy more transparent containers. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and kindly subscribe below. If you haven't already, I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon in a new and fresh video, inshallah.